Hi everyone! Welcome back to Online Seller Diaries, your guide to making money online. Today, how to start your own online business in 2025, step by step. Stick around for pro tips and tools, like comment and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Step 1. Decide on your business model. E-commerce. Sell physical products on Shopee, Lazada, or Shopify. Dropshipping. Sell without holding inventory. Affiliate marketing. Promote others and earn commission. Content or digital products. Ebooks, courses, templates. Pick the model that fits your skills, budget, and time. Step 2. Pick a profitable niche. Health and fitness, beauty and skincare, pet products, home and lifestyle. Digital tools and AI apps. A big 2025 opportunity. Step 3. Build your online presence. Open a Shopee or Lazada store, or build a Shopify website to own your brand. Create social accounts and a YouTube channel. Content marketing is free and powerful. Use consistent branding and a clear bio so customers know who you are. Step 4. Find products or services to sell. For dropshipping, check AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or local wholesalers. For affiliate marketing, join Involve Asia, Amazon Associates, or Shopee affiliates. For digital products, create templates, guides, or courses. Choose products with demand, a good margin, and alignment with your passion. Step 5. Market your business. Run social media ads on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Content marketing, blogs, YouTube, and short-form content. Collect emails and run promotions. Email still converts. Work with micro-influencers for targeted reach. Key: consistency. Don't expect overnight results. Keep testing and iterating. Step 6. Manage your finances. Track income, expenses, marketing budgets, and supplier costs. Use Google Sheets, Notion, or QuickBooks to stay organized. Step 7. Scale your business. Hire virtual assistants to offload admin tasks. Automate workflows with AI tools to save time. Expand to new products or markets and consider private labeling. Reinvest profits to grow. That's how sellers become entrepreneurs. And that's it. The key steps to start your online business in 2025. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe. Watch next. Fastest way to start dropshipping in 2025. Link below.